amazing learners. Congratulations on making it to day 23 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. We're almost at the finish line. I read your comments every single day, and I see how hard you're working and how much you're improving. Your dedication inspires me. Now, let me ask you something personal. When your phone rings with an unknown number, what do you do? Does your heart start racing? Do you think, oh no, an English phone call, and let it ring until it stops? Or maybe you answer and freeze up completely. Hello, this is Mike from Credit Card Company, and you panic. Maybe, sorry. Does this sound familiar? You know what you want to say, but your English confidence disappears. But today, that fear ends. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that gives you complete control over any unwanted phone call. Today, we're mastering your complete phone defense system. Let's begin. Part 1. Finding out who's calling. When strangers call you, your first job is to find out exactly who they are and why they're calling. These phrases help you take control from the very first second. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Please repeat after me in the pause. Who is this, please? Adding please makes this direct question more polite. It's a perfect way to start. What company are you calling from? This is a clear and professional question to identify the organization. How did you get my number? A fair question to ask, especially if you did not give them your contact information. Could you tell me the purpose of your call? Purpose means reason. This is a polite and formal way to ask why they are calling. Are you trying to sell me something? A direct question to get to the point of a suspected sales call. What product are you selling? A direct follow-up if they confirm it is a sales call. I didn't request any information from your company. This is a firm statement that clarifies you did not ask for this call. Why are you calling me specifically? This asks for the specific reason they have chosen to contact you. Shadowing practice. Finding out who's calling. Perfect! You're taking control from the very first second. Now let's practice these phrases in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. Who is this, please? Who is this, please? What company are you calling from? What company are you calling from? How did you get my number? How did you get my number? Could you tell me the purpose of your call? Could you tell me the purpose of your call? Are you trying to sell me something? Are you trying to sell me something? What product are you selling? What product are you selling? I didn't request any information from your company. I didn't request any information from your company. Why are you calling me specifically? Why are you calling me specifically? Part 2. Declining professionally. This is where most people struggle. They want to be polite, but they end up sounding weak. These phrases let you decline clearly while staying confident. I'm not interested, thank you. This is the most simple, polite, and effective phrase to end a sales call. Adding thank you keeps it polite. I'm not in the market for that right now. In the market for is an idiom that means you are looking to buy something. This is a polite way to say you don't need their product. I don't make purchasing decisions over the phone. This is a very professional response that sets a clear boundary. This is not a good time for me to talk. A polite way to end the conversation if you are busy. I already have everything I need, but thank you. This is a clear and polite way to state that you are not a potential customer. I'm not the right person to speak to about this. Use this if they are calling about something related to your household or business, but you are not the decision maker. Shadowing practice. Declining professionally. Excellent. Your declining skills are getting stronger and clearer. Let's practice. Repeat each phrase once after me. I'm not interested, thank you. I'm not in the market for that right now. I don't make purchasing decisions over the phone. This is not a good time for me to talk. I already have everything I need, but thank you. I'm not the right person to speak to about this. Part 3. Protecting your information. Here's the most important part. Never give personal information to strangers on the phone. These phrases will protect you professionally. I don't give out personal information to strangers. A clear and firm statement that sets a boundary. I'm afraid that's none of your business. This is a very direct and strong phrase to use if someone is asking inappropriate personal questions. That's confidential information. Confidential means private and secret. This is a very professional way to decline. I don't discuss my finances with strangers. Finances refers to your money matters. This is a very clear boundary. I never provide account details over the phone. Account details could be your bank account number or credit card number. This is a very important safety rule. I'm not comfortable sharing that with people I don't know. This is a polite but firm way to decline, focusing on your own feelings of comfort. Shadowing practice. Protecting your information. Remember, your information is valuable. Let's practice protecting it. I don't give out personal information to strangers. I'm afraid that's none of your business. That's confidential information. I don't discuss my finances with strangers. I never provide account details over the phone. I'm not comfortable sharing that with people I don't know. Part 4. Redirecting and controlling the conversation. When you need to take control of the conversation or redirect it, these phrases show that you're in charge. Stop right there. A very direct and powerful phrase to interrupt someone who is talking too much. Let me be very clear, I'm not interested. Let me be very clear. is a phrase you use to emphasize that what you are about to say is very important and direct. I need to end this conversation now. A polite but firm way to state your intention to finish the call. I don't wish to continue this discussion. Wish to is a more formal way of saying want to. This conversation needs to end. A strong declarative statement. We should stop talking now. Another clear and direct way to end the call. Please remove my number from your calling list. This is a very important and official request to make to telemarketers. Shadowing practice, redirecting and controlling. Great! Let's practice taking control. Stop right there. Let me be very clear. I'm not interested. I need to end this conversation now. I don't wish to continue this discussion. This conversation needs to end. We should stop talking now. Please remove my number from your calling list. Part 5. Final authority, ending with confidence. When being polite doesn't work, it's time to be absolutely clear. These phrases will end any call with complete authority. Stop calling me. Very direct and unambiguous. Remove my number from your system immediately. Adding immediately shows urgency and authority. Do not call this number again. A very clear command. This conversation is over. A powerful statement that leaves no room for discussion. I'm ending this call now. This shows you are the one taking the action. Take me off your list right now. A more demanding version of remove my number from your list. Do not call me back. A final, clear instruction. I am hanging up now. Do not call back. To hang up is the phrasal verb for ending a phone call. Shadowing practice. Final authority. Amazing! Now let's practice ending the call with strength. Stop calling me. Remove my number from your system immediately. Do not call this number again. This conversation is over. I'm ending this call now. Take me off your list right now. Do not call me back. I am hanging up now. Do not call back. Part 6. Real conversation practice. Amazing! You just mastered these powerful phrases. You have everything you need to control any unwanted call. Now let's see how they work in a new, innovative conversation. I will play both roles, and I want you to repeat each line after me in the pause. Scenario: a new sales call.
Hello, this is Mark from Global Telecom. How are you today? I have amazing news for you about your internet plan.
Hello, who is this, please?
Like I said, I'm Mark from Global Telecom. and I'm calling to offer you an exclusive deal to upgrade your internet speed for half the price.
What company are you calling from?
Global Telecom. We're the biggest in the country. Now to check if you are eligible, I just need to confirm your home address.
I don't give out personal information to strangers over the phone.
Oh, this is totally safe. I just need to confirm your details. Do you have an account with us already? What's your current internet speed?
I'm not interested, thank you. I don't make purchasing decisions from unsolicited phone calls.
But wait, you haven't heard our amazing offer yet. This expires today. You could save hundreds of dollars. Just tell me your email address, and I can send you the details.
That's still personal information. This is not a good time for me to talk.
Just 2 more minutes. I promise this will change your life. What if I told you about our free TV streaming package?
Let me be very clear. I need to end this conversation. Please remove my number from your calling list.
But this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. My manager will be very disappointed if I let you go. Don't hang up.
Stop calling me. This conversation is over.
Wait, what if I could get you approved right now? Just give me your credit card number and...
I am hanging up now. Do not call back.
Did you see that? I used phrases from all 5 of our sections and completely controlled that conversation. The salesperson tried everything, but I stayed strong and confident. This is the power of knowing exactly what to say. The final secret. Now it's time for you to practice. Your missions for today are to master these phrases using the shadowing method and to record yourself practicing the conversation with me. But before you go, here is the final secret I promised. The simple secret to handling any unwanted call is this. Your silence is your power, and your words are your boundaries. You do not owe a stranger on the phone a long conversation. You do not need to be overly polite or make excuses. Your power comes from using short, clear, and direct phrases, and from knowing when to be silent and when to end the call. Your phone is your personal space. You have the right to control who enters it. Tomorrow is day 24 of our 30-day challenge, and we're going to tackle another real-life situation that makes English learners nervous. Don't break the chain. My challenge to you today is to comment below and tell me, what's the scariest part about getting an unwanted phone call in English? Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.